Okay, and so today on circles we are going to look and see about points, whether points lie inside or outside a circle. So where are they located? Are they located here on the circle? Are they inside or are they outside? Okay, and so if we are given an equation of the following format here, and we are asked to figure out and see if a point A, B lies on, inside or outside a circle, well then all we have to do is label this here x1, y1 and substitute A and B in for the x value, in for the y value here, and basically if our total answer is equal to r squared, our total on the left hand side, if it's equal to r squared then it's on the circle. If it's less than r squared it's inside the circle, and if it is greater than r squared then it is outside the circle. So here we will have, so a minus h all to be squared plus b minus k all to be squared. So if that is equal to r squared then it means on the circle. And it means that A and B is on the circle. Hope that goes without saying. And similarly, this time if it is less than r squared then that means that A and B are inside the circle. And then lastly, the last option is if it is greater than r squared, then A and B, the point AB, lies outside the circle. Okay, so make sure that we get these all taken down, so very important, into our copy, and then let's do a question and have a look. Okay, so here we're asked to investigate if the points lie outside, inside or on the following circle. So we'll deal with the first point first, which is 7 comma minus 5. So we'll just call that x1, y1 or a and b, whichever, it doesn't matter. And so here we're going to sub it in. So we have minus 4 plus equals 25. So into this we are subbing in 7 and here are minus 5. So 7 minus 4 leaves us with 3 squared, which is 9. Plus, well, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, and minus 4 squared is 16, equals 25. 9 plus 16 is 25, equals 25. That's true. So therefore 7 minus 5 lies on the circle. Okay, so that's our first one done. And that's how we show it. Okay, so it's the exact same process with the other point. So we have the point 8 comma minus 6, and again x1, y1, and let's substitute it in to our equation. So here we have our equation. So that's going to give me 8 into here, minus 4 to be squared, plus minus 6 plus 1 all to be squared. And let's see what that gives us. So, well, 8 minus 4 is 4 squared, which is 16, plus, well, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 to be squared, which is 25, equal to 25. And so here, well, we can see that they're not equal, but we have 16 plus 25, so 41 is greater than 25, And so we have therefore 8 minus 6 lies outside the circle. And that's our answer to that one. Okay, and very quickly we'll look at the other example given, and it asks us something similar, and that is very simply find the range of values. So this time it's to find a possible value for t when given that the point 7t lies inside the circle. So here, well, we're going to do the exact same process. We've our 7 and our t, x1, y1. And so here, substituting those in. Okay, so here I'm just substituting in my 7 and my t. You can see I haven't put in an sign here yet. I'm told in the question that it lies inside the circle, so I know that means it has to be less than. So here I'm going to have 7 minus 4 all to be squared, which is 3 squared, which is 9, plus t plus 1 all to be squared less than 25. Well, here I'm just going to do this the quickest possible way for myself. So subtracting 9 from both sides, they cancel, and I get t plus 1 all to be squared is less than 16. And so just the square root there of both sides gives me t plus 1 is less than plus or minus 4. So obviously splitting this up into two different equalities or solving it is going to give me minus 4 less than t plus 1 less than 4. And so I'm going to minus 1 here and minus 1 here to get rid of the minus 1. I could, of course, split that into two different inequalities, but just to speed things up here. So we have minus 5 is less than t is less than 3. And so that's my range of values for t, which lies for the points here that are going to lie inside this circle here. Okay, so make sure we also get these down into our copy, and let's go on to Schoology then to check our questions.